Good morning, students. Again, I'm here. I'm Munish Yadav, PGT Commerce, and so School Bhiwadi will teach you chapter number second. But first of all, how are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at home. Yes, students. So let's proceed for the chapter number two. Our chapter number two name is Central Problems of an Economy. Okay. Yes, beta. Before this chapter we must recall about the first chapter because you are the beginner and this is your new session. 11th is a ultimately new class for upcoming session, okay, as you entered in the commerce world. Yes, dear students, so in the last chapter we have learned three things. First, the meaning of economics. Second, micro and macroeconomics with their differences. Third one was positive and normative economics with their differences, and then after economy and their types. In economic types there are the three types of economy. I think you are doing well. Some students are sending me homework every day and they are doing very good. Keep it up, beta. Yes, so three types of economy we have studied. First was the market economy, which is controlled by the private individuals or market force, and second one was the central plan economy, which was controlled by completely government, such as China is a best example for that, in South Korea. And the mixed economy is that economy in which बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट प्लेइंग इंपॉर्टेंट रोल अलोंग विद द मार्केट फोर्स. इट मीन्स उसमें दोनों होते हैं. गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड अबाउट सम सेक्टर्स एंड प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल्स डिसाइड अबाउट सम सेक्टर्स. ओके, सो इंडिया इज अ बिगेस्ट एग्जाम्पल इन द वर्ल्ड फॉर द मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी. सो नाउ आर today's topic is chapter number 2. As I told you, central problems of an economy. Before starting the topic, you must know about the learning objective. It means which topics we will complete in this chapter. So first topic is what are economic problems. Second, what are central problems. Third, formation of PPC. It means production possibility curve and their effects on economic problem. Okay, student, so before starting this chapter in your notebook, first of all write the name of chapter, then after write the learning objectives, then you can start your questions in your notebook. Okay, so now let's proceed towards the topic. The first is what are economic problem. What are economic problem? As in your learning objective, economic problem means beta, especially any problem which is related to any country, which is related to any area, such as unemployment is a biggest economic problem, overpopulation, pollution, global warming, shortage of fresh water. These kind of problems, ultimately poverty, seen in the economy. So these are the basic economic problem. Okay, but what about the central problems? Now let's proceed for the central problems, and a 3-mark question always be asked in your UT and your final exam. It means इस chapter से जो central problems अभी आप पढ़ रहे हो, there are the 3 central problems that are what to produce. It means क्या बनाना है, which kinds of goods and services. Then how to produce, कैसे बनाना है, which technology producer will use, for whom to produce. It means किस कैटेगरी के लिए बनाना है. ओके, वी विल डिस्कस दीज टॉपिक्स इन द लेटर पॉइंट. द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट आर द सेंट्रल प्रॉब्लम्स. सेंट्रल प्रॉब्लम्स मीन्स दीज आर दोज प्रॉब्लम विच फेस्ड बाय every economy. Every economy has to face these problem and find the solutions for that. Okay, whether it is developed, underdeveloped and ungroomed economy, every economy has to face these problems. So first problem is what and how much to produce. Today we will discuss only one problem. Tomorrow we will discuss the remaining 2 problems. Okay, so be continue with the point. What and how much to produce. It means हमें क्या बनाना है और कितना बनाना है. So ultimately this problem is related with the choice of goods and services that a producer has to produce. So in this problem, an economy has to decide that which types of goods and services they have to produce, which type of goods and services they has to produce, such as first is consumer goods. Consumer goods means ब्रेड, बुक्स, बटर, दीज काइंड ऑफ गुड्स विच डायरेक्टली सेटिस्फाई ह्यूमन नीड्स, जो इंसान की ज़रूरतों को सीधे सीधे पूरा करते हैं. अल्टीमेटली वी आर कंज्यूमिंग दीज थिंग्स ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस. सेकेंड इज कैपिटल गुड्स, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी दैट इकोनॉमी हैज़ टू प्रोड्यूस प्लांट मशीनरी टू फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अदर कमोडिटीज़. ओके, बगैर मशीन बगैर प्लांट के कुछ किसी भी चीज़ का प्रोडक्शन नहीं होता. इवन नोटबुक्स का प्रोडक्शन भी नहीं होता. इवन फार्मर्स वीट भी प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकते विदाउट ट्रैक्टर, विदाउट हार्वेस्टर, विदाउट कल्टिवेटर. तो इट मीन्स कैपिटल गुड्स दे हैव टू प्रोड्यूस. एंड थर्ड डिफेंस गुड्स, और it is very important, as you know beta, for the peaceful environment in the economy every country has to hire good level of equipments, defense equipments, to protect their country from other countries, from terrorism, from everything. Okay, so defense goods. So these three types of goods every economy has to produce. First was the consumer goods, जिसमें consumer goods बनाने हैं आम पब्लिक के लिए. Second capital goods, it means plants, machinery, वो बनाने हैं for the production of other goods. And defense goods, to protect our country, to protect any country, every economy has to decide about the defense equipment. So it's about the first economic problem, what first central problem, that is what and how much to produce, क्या बनाना है और कितना बनाना है. Okay, I hope you are understanding the point, and tomorrow we will continue the point with second and third problem, that is how to produce and for whom to produce. Okay student, so do your work on regular basis, and beta send me pics of your work before 2 p.m. okay, so that I can easily maintain the record that how many students in 11th class doing their work on regular basis. Okay dear student, stay blessed.